Hi friends, Marlene here from Uniquely Ella. Today I thought I informally or properly introduce you to my latest digital kit. Actually, it's a collection. This is called, I'm so excited about this. I've already introduced this collection over on Instagram, my Facebook, every place else, but I haven't done a video about it, so I thought I'd do a video. Just to kind of go over it, it is a collection, which is usually what I do, like a collection of, and then I have like individual little kits within the collection. And this collection, like I said, is called Christmas Ball, and it has 5 kits in it. It's got a regular journaling pages kit, which is what I'm calling the kit, that we can fold like this. Then it has a tall journaling page kit. I have the add-ons journaling pages, which are a little bit more plain. They don't have a lot of the girls, and they can be used like this, and they can be used the tall way also. Then I have 2 ephemera 1 and ephemera 2. So let's get started. I'm really excited. I was like, I don't think I've done a video. Actually, somebody asked me, do you have a video on showing, because I don't put videos, little video clips in my listings, and I said no, I haven't done one yet. So I was like, here I am, here we are doing it. Okay, so this is Christmas Ball, and this is the regular journaling pages, and I love these pages. I loved how this turned out. This has 7 pages and 1 background page. I had so much fun with this kit, so much fun. And what I like to think is that all these beautiful ladies, of course, are going to this Christmas ball, but they're really not going to the same Christmas balls, because from their outfits I can tell they're not from the same era. So, but I'm just going to pretend that all these beautiful ladies are just getting all dressed up, all prettied up, and they're going to a Christmas ball. Okay, so let's just move right along. And on some of them I do this, I call it like a divider page, but sometimes I don't. And the hardest thing for me is like when to stop layering and layering and layering. I love layering. And as you can tell, this is like in the traditional Christmas colors, more or less, but I went with a little bit of like a burgundy, or not that Christmas candy apple Christmas color. And then the greens are greens, but they're more like I don't want to say sagey, but maybe a little sage green. But they're traditional colors, but not the essence of what I think are the true Christmas colors, which is that bright red. And, I had fun finding the images. I had fun doing this whole kit. It was just so much fun. And I think she is so pretty. I don't know if she's my favorite lady or not, but I love her. I think she is absolutely stunning. She's beautiful. And then there's this page. Then we have this page. I did keep a couple of pages, what I'm calling like simple. This page, and then it has like the 1 background check page, which I don't know if you can see because it's kind of bright, but it's very faint, but the background page is there. So this is the regular journaling page kit. Now this one is going to be the traditional, the tall journaling page, and there's 7 journaling pages again and 1 background page. And these I meant to, I like her too. Let me move you back just a little bit more so you can see it. This one I meant it to be like this, of course. So I tried to make like the focal image be either here, here, here in the bottom. And there's this page. I think she's just absolutely gorgeous. She's absolutely beautiful. And then we have her in a bigger image again. These 2 lovelies. Her, and then I have 2, I'm calling my simpler pages, which is this one. And then you can add things to these pages if you like. And this one. And then this is the background page for the tall journaling pages. Okay, so let's do, these are tall journaling pages, but the add-on kit. But I think they can, I've also been using them for like my regular journal. The other way around, because, you know, it's like this, but who says you can't use it like this also? We can do that. But this is how I kind of designed them. So these are just the same backgrounds, more or less, but plain. None of the ladies are here. This one. You get this one. This one's my favorite because I like how the flowers just kind of fade into. This one I love that this is all blurry. So I try to do that to some of the images. You get this one, and this one you get 6 pages and 2 background pages. So you get this background page, and then you get this background page. So this is the add-on kit. Now this is the ephemera kit 1, which is mainly, I had the idea of just having the ladies that you can cut up and use them throughout, or even use the ladies like maybe like in little tucks or something. You can cut them out. And then I did a project where I even used this space. You know, I would cut the lady and I still use this whole area here. I still use that as like a little tuck or something. I mean, I didn't let anything go to waste. I think this is my favorite. I love her. I think she's so pretty. But this, I think this is my favorite page in the first ephemera kit. And again, my idea was that you can cut them out. I mean, this can be a nice long tag right here and another little tag here. And then I gave you 4 of my favorite, you know, the regular journaling pages, but I, you know, reduced them a little bit, and I gave you like 4 journaling cards that you can use. And these are ready to go. You don't need to do a thing. Then I gave you 2 tear sheets or collage sheets. These are my favorite. I love collage sheets because you can just break whatever you want. So what I did, I put the focal ladies as like the focal point, and then I peppered in some of the little embellishments. I love the red. So you get 2 collage sheets in the ephemera kit 1. And then you get, actually you get 5 pages and then 2 background pages for the add-on kit. And this is one of the background pages. And this is the other background pages. Okay, so now we're going to go to the final one, which the final one is the ephemera kit 2, and it's my favorite one because I love playing with envelopes and tags, and I like to have them already done, and somebody did the work for me. You get this one. This one you get 6 pages and 1 background page. I gave you this envelope and 2 little journaling cards, a little sign that you can put anywhere, even like on top of here, wherever you like, or tuck it in. I like these little. And then I made this page. I love this page. This is probably my favorite page in the entire collection because I have like a thing for file folders. I love anything that's in the shape of a file folder. I love it. And I like how that turned out. And these 2 ornaments, I'm like in love with these 2 ornaments. Let me see if I can show them to you, what I did with mine, because this is what I did with my ornament, which is this ornament. I turned it into a little tag. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I bring it up close. But I added a little bit of, I added some glitter on the edges. And I did the same thing with the round tag. I added a little bit of some German glitter around the edges. I love that tag. I like how that turned out. And I went with the gold, but you can do silver. And you get 2 little journaling little spots. You get this page with the jumbo tag. I'm going to turn this, I think I'm going to turn it into a tag also. I'm going to punch a hole, turn it into a tag. Or you can fold it in half and it can be like a huggable. It can hug one of the inserts that you put in the journal. I thought of that too. And then my envelope, my little pocket. Let me just show you. I'm going to do a video showing you all this anyway. But let me just show you really quickly what I did with my little file folder. Can you see? Is that blurry? I put this little reindeer. That's what I did with my file folder. But let me show you what I did with, like, you're probably going to already see this in another video because I think we're going to do these together in another, I don't know which video is going to go first. This is what I did with my tag. But I wanted to show you that little envelope. I wanted to show you what I did with that. Because it doesn't have, like, when you fold these flaps, it doesn't, oh, look what I did with, I'm going to show you these little envelopes in a little while, but this I love. How these turned out. I love doing these little envelope things. I liked how that turned out. I'm going to show you that. But, maybe I don't have it here. Oh, here it is. Is it this one? I don't have it here. I think I gave it away. I don't know what I did with it. But I don't have it here. But anyway, when you fold these little flaps, if you're going to make it like a floating little tuck, a little floating tuck, you have to line the back. So what I did was that I folded my flaps and then I lined the back with just regular book pages, and then that gave me a little pocket to play with. But it turned out really cute because I embellished it. I just can't find it. I don't know if I gave it away already. And then we have, I already showed you that. Let me go on. I gave you one of these. This one's cute. And then it's got a journaling card that goes inside and then another little sign. I like that a lot. Then I gave you another one of these little envelopes, but kind of smaller. That's adorable, I think. And then this little card should fit in there. And then some more little journaling spots. And this, you can fold it. There's a little... You can cut it through the middle because there's a little area that you can cut. But you can also turn it into a little mini journal. And then once it's folded, because there is a little, I left a little space here purposely. Once you fold it into a mini journal, you can put a piece of fabric or whatever you like in there to cover that tiny little space if you like. You get some die cuts like these. I love the little bird. I think he's adorable. So you get some die cuts with it, and then you get a background page also with this kit. So there you go, guys. I'm very proud of this kit. It took me a long time to put it together only because I haven't been doing this digital thing, designing, for very long. So I'm still learning as I go along. I'm picking up little tips and faster way of doing things, but I'm kind of proud of myself that I can't believe I put this kit together. And I can't believe you guys liked it so much. And I'm very, very, very grateful. So that's it. That's the Christmas ball kit for me for 2023. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.